everyone, it's me Jane back again at C Jane Drive Results with another Cook Unity meal review. So today we are going to try this adobo short ribs with Mexican rice and black beans from Chef Andres Mendez. I'm excited about this. It looks delicious. I just microwaved it and it has so much meat in it. It looks incredible. It's got 48 grams of protein, only 37 grams of fat, but unfortunately 84 grams of carbohydrates, and that has to be in this rice. The package says that it has black beans. It looks like they're kind of refried black beans. They're kind of like, yeah, they're refried. And it also comes with some guacamole and some green salsa on top. It looks super, super amazing. I would say this is so much food, it could probably make it to 2 meals, and it's only 860 calories, so it's not bad at all. So it's a little high on the carbs, but I probably won't eat all this rice. Wow. Chef Mendez, he's got it going on here with his flavors. I remember I've eaten adobo a time or two, and it wasn't this good. Wow. All right, let me give a try to the rice here with some of the meat. I've got some of the guacamole here. Now I will say that the rice, I really like that sort of Mexican rice that's exploded. So they like you can make it if you kind of grill your rice first or saute it and then make for the rice. But this is more like a jasmine rice. It has the fragrance of jasmine rice. So the rice for me is just, it's whatever. It's fake Mexican rice. Not what somebody would make you at their home or like at your favorite restaurant. But the short rib and the guacamole, incredible. And let me try out the black beans. They taste exactly like refried black beans. There's a little bit of spice in there. All right, so let me go ahead and rate this. This is very, very delicious. I am going to have to rate the short rib portion of this a 10. I cannot imagine it being better. It is the best short ribs I've had this year or last year, because it's just turned over to a new year. The best short ribs for sure. I've had a few different short rib entrees during this Cook Unity reviews, and I like these the best. The Mexican rice and black beans, those were just okay. I'd give them like a 5, but I'm including the guacamole and the salsa on the side, so I'm going to have to bump it up to a 6. So that's 16 overall. Divided by 2 equals 8. I'll give this entree an 8. I would absolutely get it again. Absolutely. It is so good. I can't wait to finish it. Thank you so much for joining me, and see you again next time. Bye.